Happiness is a state of mind. Use it to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is happiness is a state of mind. Now, surprise, surprise, the absolute origin of this idiom is unclear, but it has been around since Stoicism, and I need a magnifying glass so I can see what I'm talking about. It's accredited to such teachers and philosophers as Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius. There's an author by the name of Steve Maraboli. I don't know who that is. Maybe you do. But he has also been credited with saying happiness is a state of mind. Well, what does that mean? What does it have to do with us growing and building and supersizing our business? It means that it's got its roots actually in ancient philosophy or philosophical teachings. And it's not determined solely by what happens to us and around us. We have some control in saying how happy we decide we're going to feel or not. And it's partially a matter of our perspective, our attitudes, our mindset. Love the word, love the buzz topic, mindset. Some people think mindset is everything. I was just reading a post this morning. I got sidetracked, imagine that, on a woman that says mindset isn't everything. Stuff just happens in life. And I agree. Mindset is a critical piece of what makes us happy and successful, but it isn't everything. We can, it's just like, you know, the movie The Secret, where believe, what is it? Be, do, have. That's not it. Anyway, I'm thinking of that. And it's got a little bit to do with it, but you have to take action. You have to do something. You can't just, you know, visualize and think something's going to magically happen while you're sitting on the sofa. I guess that's my point. So I want to share a couple of ways that we can take responsibility. We can choose to feel happy, right? It's like my beliefs about struggle and hustle. I think that struggle and hustle in growing and building and supersizing our business is absolutely positively optional. We don't have to choose to struggle. We don't have to choose to hustle. We get to build the business that we want to build, how we want to build it. That's the wonderful thing about living in America these days. We still have the freedom to choose and decide and do and be and have whatever it is that we want. So I want to share some top tips for being happier, choosing happiness. Now, I would add a couple of things to this list, but I'll just share this list that I found. The first thing is, of course, trick your brain. You can actually feel better by doing things physiologically to trick your brain. One key example of this is smiling. If you smile, before long, you're feeling happier, more positive thoughts. Number two, count your blessings. Gratitude, I talk about that a lot. It's one of the biggest, best secret weapons that you can have in your arsenal to create the results you want, is being grateful for what you've already achieved, being grateful for what is. It also reduces frustration, in that frustration to me is expecting things to be different than they are. And when I define it that way, by being grateful for what is and how things are, that negates my ability to feel frustration. Just a little trick I've learned along the decades. Number three, start your day the right way. Start your day by doing things that make you feel good and happy. I do silly things like make my bed, do affirmations, listen to meditations sometimes in the morning, exercise, whatever feels right for you. Do those things so that you start your day in a positive, happy way. Number four, change perspective. Can always change the way we look at things. Number five, find and give support. I often find that if we give what we want to receive, we are happier and we get better results in life. Number six, do a kind act every day. And number seven, find meaning and purpose. Number eight, cut down sources of unhappiness. I want to say duh to that one. Things that don't make you happy, avoid those things. And then find things. I would say people have a huge impact on our happiness. As human beings, we let them. So pay attention to who you're spending your time with. If you're spending time with people that make you unhappy, you spend less time with them. So I'd love to know your favorite happiness increasing strategy and technique, both personal and in your business. That's it. Have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.